It breaks my heart. They ain't believing us. We the best music. They play themselves. While you hating and being jealous, you could be over here embracing that love. More blessings, more life. God did. You either win with us or you watch us win. DJ Khaled.
They want us down. Ooh. But look at us now. They counted us out.
Time to say a
prayer. They didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't
May we bow our heads.
But I know God did. Oh, yes, He did.
Khaled. God is great. Nosedive, they just praying that I crash. But those guys, they don't wanna see you last. That Jacob $3 million above your tax. A tub full of money, I still can't relax. Time spinning, Lord forgive me, I'm a sinner. Conquer, divide niggas. Wrong side of the petition, only divine winning. Better listen when I tell you how I put time in it. Please forgive me, God did. So leave me in the dark, swimming with the sharks. Dope boy, big calm, still the biggest boss. Got a kilo on the plate, send him on the freight. Or I could go and buy a bank, I know my money's safe.
They counted us out.
Davis.
They didn't think that we would make it up.
Well, where is he, bro?
They didn't believe in us. Oh, but I know God did. Oh, yes, He did. Oh, yes,
Sky is the limit, every day I reach. They was tired of me winning, now they dead sleep. Don't wanna see me with the ring, you better play deep. Nigga, God did his thing when He made me. With the eyes stacked against me, I could crack Da Vinci. I know only God can judge us, I say that for Britney. They smell blood like a shark, they start acting fishy. While I'ma have to act a ass and they gon' have to kiss me. Please don't hate me just to hate me. Before they overrate me, they gon' underestimate me. Funeral and wake me, bury me and excavate me. But I'm so cultivating, everybody replicate me. Nigga face facts, dreadlocks, face tats, I'm the apex. I made the culture what I'm doing every day back. I fucked the world and what I did, I practiced same sex. I prayed more and said less, God did the rest.
They counted us out. They didn't think that we would make it up. They didn't.
It breaks my heart.
Oh, but I know God did.
Where we at, Goo?
Oh, yes, He did.
Where we at, Goo?
Oh, yes, but I know God did.
Hove did. Please, Lord, forgive me for what the stove did. Nobody touched the billy until Hove did. How many billionaires can come from Hove crib? I count 3, me, A, and Ree. Bronze and Rock Boy, so 4 technically. I left the dope game with my record clean. I turned the cocaine into champagne. I cleaned up La Madrina with the same soap. Me and Loro talk about how we slang dope. Now the weed stores, can you believe this top? I put my hustle on the Forbes, can you believe this guy? Then we said fuck it, took the dope public. Out the mud, they gotta face you now, you can't make up this shit. Judging how you judge it, say we going corporate. Nah, we just corner boys with the corner office. I'm at the cap table, what the splits is. Not that cap table, boy, we live this. Breezy, what the business is. We pushing 50 like fentanyl, the shit is all legitimate. E was down 10 for this. We just got his 10 back, then went back like where the interest is. M light up the 03. We let y'all do the Zazas, OG for the OGs. Some you niggas out of pocket talking exotic. You barely been it up behind me, that's another topic. Monogram in my pocket off the red carpet. You see the face I made that night, shit is that shocking. Ours wasn't great, we even be alive. Gotta be crazy to y'all, nigga, we surprised. Shit is too much how we grew up. Shit don't even feel real too hard.
Ain't nah for real. Stop leaking, nigga. Nigga tried to come through, but I heard it. Bop. Yeah. Damn. Whatever you do, gotta know how I move. Can't take you a win if you never gon' lose. I got in my feelings supporter, but dude, want enough money, I ain't chasing no hoe. Don't send me a disc cause the Memphis don't go. Fat shit blown, got so many like whoa. We them type niggas might hop out the snow. I remember back then when them bitches was playing. Ain't no dapping me up, nigga, you not my man. Put that shit on me.
We may not know which way to go on this dark road. Mr. Duckworth. All of these hoes make it difficult.
Session time. Breakthrough.
One of these lives, I'ma make these right with the wrongs I've done. That's when you not with the father son. Till then I fight. Rain on me, put the blame on me. Got guilt, got hurt, got shame on me. Got 6 magazines that's aimed at me. Done every magazine was fame to me. It's a game to me with the bedroom at. Sleep, I ain't never had a fast with that. What's fair when the hearts and the words don't reach? What's fair when the money don't take things back? It's rare when somebody take your dreams back. I care too much when I share too much. In my head too much, I shut down too. I ain't there too much. I'm a complex soul. They layered me up, then broke me down. And morality's dust, I lack in trust. This time around I trust myself. Please everybody else but myself. All those flaws I was myself. Outdone fear, outdone myself. This year you better run yourself. Mask on the babies, mask on the hot wear. Mask in the neighborhood stores you shot, but a mask won't hide who you are inside. Look around, the reality's carved in lies. Wipe my ego, dodge my pride. Look myself in the mirror. Amityville, ain't seen nothing scarier. I fought like a pit bull terrier. Blood I shed could fill up aquariums. Tell all my angels carry them. Every emotion been deprived. Even my strong points couldn't survive. If I didn't learn to love myself, forgive myself 100 times, dawg. I love when you count me out. 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 Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fucking it up. How you gon' wear my shorts when the last one eat? How you gon' bend your love when the bed don't sleep? Deep beat, crash up, feelings in the middle of the street. Vroom, vroom. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fucking it up.
Listen, every story need a superhero and a villain. Now, introducing Metro motherfucking Boomin, nigga.
They pray for the day that I lose it. God gave me the power to use it. May wait in a while, but I'm on time. Hey, I glide through the rain and the fire. Take no days off, can't retire. Know you wait in a while, but I'm on time. Oh, I'm on time. Hey.
What they say, young Metro construction. Motherfucker, you better run.
cloudy sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard